Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that once again we have started discussing sample paper. So writing part we are discussing. As you know that this year CBSE has divided your question paper in two parts. In part A MCQs will be there and part B will be subjective part, in which writing part will be there. Okay, so we are discussing only writing part, we are not discussing the MCQs. Part B subjective questions we are going to discuss. Let's begin. Part B subjective questions. Question number 6. Your part B subjective questions start from question number 6. Write a notice informing. Write a notice informing. Write a notice informing all about a session. Informing all about a session by an eminent psychologist. By an eminent psychologist. By an eminent psychologist on study skills. On study skills. On study skills. You are Anil, Amrita. You are Anil, Amrita. You are Anil, Amrita, cultural in charge of St. Mark's School. Cultural in charge of St. Mark's School. St. Mark's School, Janakpuri. Janakpuri. Okay. Write a notice informing all about a session by an eminent psychologist on study skills. You are Anil, Amrita, cultural in charge of St. Mark's School, Janakpuri. So in question number 6, there will be choices between notice writing and advertisement writing. So at least one topic you need to prepare. You must prepare one topic properly. Okay, so that you can attempt this question. Either you have to write a notice or you have to write an advertisement. So I would like to suggest you should practice notice writing, as it is easier than advertisement writing, because there are various types of advertisements which you will have to go through. So you had better to practice notice writing so that you can express it in your examination properly. Okay, let me rub it and write down the answer. have discussed the format of notice writing. Before starting to write a notice, what we should do? First of all, we should draw three-sided line. So you should have scale for drawing the line. Okay? You have to draw three-sided line, as box is mandatory for notice writing. But don't close the box in the beginning. First, finish writing your notice, then close the box. If you will close the box in the beginning, your words may go beyond the box. So it will look ugly. So that is why avoid closing the box in the beginning. Okay? First draw three-sided line. After finishing your notice, you can draw this bottom line. So first of all, we should write the name of institution issuing the notice. So here the notice is being issued by St. Mark's School. So first of all, we are going to write the name of institution in capital letter. The name of institution should be in capital letter. Okay, so St. Mark's School. Mark's School, Janakpuri. Okay, St. Mark's School, Janakpuri. Then the word notice should be in capital. Then date should be on the left side of this word notice. Okay, so what is the date today? 24th. This way, 24th February 2021. Then you have to write the topic. What is the topic? Seminar on study skills. Seminar on study skills. Seminar on study skills. Okay, so this is the format you must keep remember for writing a notice. Now you can start it this way. The students of ninth to 12th, the students of 9th to 12th are hereby informed that the school or the school has invited according to question an eminent psychologist Dr. R.S. Gupta to conduct a seminar on study skills, okay, in school auditorium on 28th or 27th February from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So this way you can give the detail. So that the school has invited a famous, invited the famous or the eminent psychologist Dr. Suresh Chandra. Dr. Suresh Chandra. Let me rub it and complete it. So first, name of the institution in capital letter, then the word notice in capital letter, then date, and then your subject, then content. You can start this way. The students of 9th to 12th are hereby informed that the school has invited the eminent psychologist Dr. Suresh Chandra. Let me rub it and complete it. Okay, you can take the screenshot. Invited Dr. Suresh Chandra to conduct the session. Later you will be writing to conduct the session on 27th February 2021. Okay, it would be conducted from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in school auditorium. In school auditorium. All students should reach the auditorium at 8:40 a.m. positively. Okay, then your name Anil. You can also put your signature Anil. Then designation cultural. According to question, it is cultural in charge. Okay, then you can close the box. So this way a notice is written to conduct the session on 27th February 2021. It would be conducted from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in school auditorium. Or also you can remove this one. Okay, and you can start this from here. from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in school auditorium. Okay, you need not write this, you can remove this line. In school auditorium, all students should reach the auditorium at 8 a.m. positively. Okay, so name and signature and then your designation. So this way we write a notice. So let me rub it and write down the next question for you. Next question. So question number 6, odd. Choices will be there between advertisement writing and notice writing. So part 1 we have just discussed. Now second question, Hotel Scenic Palace. Hotel Scenic Palace. Hotel Scenic Palace, Dehradun needs Hotel Scenic Palace, Dehradun needs young and smart lady receptionist. Needs young and smart lady receptionist. Write an advertisement write an advertisement write an advertisement in 50 words to be published in 50 words to be published in the situation vacant column in the situation vacant column of a local newspaper okay. Hotel Scenic Palace, Dehradun needs young and smart lady receptionist. Write an advertisement in 50 words to be published in the situation vacant column of a local newspaper. So this year notice and advertisement are going to be asked for 3 marks. There will be choice between notice writing and advertisement writing. We have just gone through the notice writing. Now we are going to write this advertisement Let me rub it and write down the answer. In the same way, dear students, as we have just practiced a notice, you should draw three-sided lines. First, as advertisement should also be written in the box. So it is written in the box. So don't close the box. You may go beyond, your words may go beyond the box. So that is why you should not close the box. Heading should be in capital. Situation. Vacant. Situation vacant should be in center. Then according to question, you can start it with required or wanted. Required, convent educated, required a convent educated, required a convent educated, smart and young lady receptionist, smart and young lady in the age group of 21 to 25, in the age group of 21 to 25, in the age group of 21 to 25 with a pleasing personality, with pleasing personality, with the pleasing personality and fluency in communication required, and fluency in communication, fluency in communication required to work as, required to work as receptionist, in the name of the hotel, in the what is the name of the hotel? Hotel Scenic Palace, in Hotel Scenic Palace, Dehradun. Okay, Hotel Scenic Palace, Dehradun. So you have given all the details, all the eligibility, personality which you want in the candidate. You have mentioned all the qualities which are required for applying for that post. Okay, now write down the mode of applying, how and whom, where the candidate should apply. Apply, or you can also write send your resume. Send your resume to Hotel Cynic Palace @gmail.com. Latest by 15 March 2021, whatever it is. For more detail, contact the general manager at 9832, whatever it is. Okay, so this way you have to write the advertisement, in which you will have to first mention for whom the post is vacant, and then what the qualifications and what type of personality the candidate is having, and then how the candidate can apply. So we have discussed each and everything in my videos on the separate topics. If you have watched my videos, so you might be knowing on. Also during classes we have discussed it in detail. Okay, so it's all about writing an advertisement, and earlier we practiced notice. Now next question, question number 7. In question number 7 there will be choices between formal and informal notice. So you must practice at least one out of them. You must have perfection one type of advertisement, whether formal or informal. So choices will be there so that you can write them well in your examination. Okay, so question number 7 will be discussed in the next class. I'm just going through the question. You can write it down and you can practice. Answer to question number 7 will be discussed in my next video, and the remaining questions of this sample paper will also be discussed in my next video. So you are Adarsh Rampuria. You are opening a new branch of your business house, Golden Threads, at C32 RM Mark, Siliguri. Write an informal invitation to your uncle to attend the inauguration ceremony and bless you. Okay, this is the advertisement which you have to write. Informal invitation which you have to right? In the next class, we will discuss answer to this question and a few more questions. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.